Alright, so we got the oil pump on, torque down, new pickup screen on, and now we're going to get ready to put the oil pan on. So we'll get the gasket on. Alright, so we got the oil pan gasket on. And we're getting ready to put the oil pan on here in just a second. Alright, we got the oil pan on. I'm ready to flip this thing over and get ready to finish it up. So, get ready to do that right now. Alright, we got it flipped over. Got it all cleaned up, ready for the head gaskets. And the heads to go on here. Turned out really nice, which, I mean, it was a fresh motor before, so. And it's a 60 overbore, so I think that makes it a 468. But anyhow, that's what we got. And we're getting on with it. We got all our head bolts. I wire brushed all my head bolts, got the threads all cleaned up and everything. Got these all cleaned up. Got the heads all washed up. Probably gonna hit this with a wire brush one more time just to get that little bit of residue off of there. Alright, so I wire brushed all the surface rust off of there. Just a little flash from washing them. So got that off. And these heads were milled. You can see a nice mill mark on them. So they are cleaned up really nice. This milling was done before, when it was built before. But yeah, really good. We're gonna put it on there and get these things torqued down. So stand by. We got the head gasket sitting on here, and we're getting ready to put the heads on here. So, y'all hang tight and get them on there. Get a good look at this. You won't see this again. Alright, so we got the heads on. Get ready to torque the bolts down. And small block's about done. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this torqued down and keep on rolling with it. We got the valves all adjusted. Got this one valve cover on, getting ready to put this other valve cover on. Then put the intake on, and it's the intake and flywheel, and we'll be ready to set this thing back in there. So we're plugging away at it. We about got it. Getting there real quick. Should have this thing sitting in there in the next 30 minutes or so. But we're just getting it. Alright, it's all together. Just got to put the intake on it, and we're ready to drop this bad boy back in. So ain't much more. So let's get these intake gaskets on. Alright, we got the gaskets on here. And we're going to set this intake on. Get her bolted up. Alright. We got the intake on, so we are pretty daggone close to setting this in. We got to bolt the flywheel on, which we're getting ready to do. And then we'll be ready to set this thing in. So a 454 has a counterweighted flywheel. So there's a dowel pin that goes in this hole that didn't come with this crank. I had to get the one out the old crank. So here it is right here. So we got the dowel pin in and got the flywheel on. We got the motor all dressed out. And we're gonna hoist her up and get her over there to the El Camino. Alright, she's hoisted up. We're gonna roll her over there. Alright, y'all. She's swinging. She's kind of where she needs to go. Let's see if we can get her where she goes. Alright, she's sitting down in there. Got the motor mount bolts in. Distributors in. Just getting stuff hooked back up. Getting her done. Alright, so we got the engine back in, got it running, it runs good. I think my solenoid went bad on my starter, that's why I got it jacked up in the front. I'll check it out tomorrow. But running good. He's strong. Real pleased. That's what we got.